time for assignment number 1, career cluster. We are going to have the AKCIS website sort all the jobs down to one category. All right. So we go here to the assessments. I'm just hovering. Now I go straight down to career cluster inventory. From this spot, you are going to answer about 80 questions about what you like. And then it's going to sort all of the main jobs and interests down to 16 career clusters. A cluster is a grouping of jobs. So you have the healthcare industry all sorted down to health sciences. You have the education cluster that sorts everything down into, all sorts of jobs like counselors and nurses and teachers are all in that education cluster. Okay, so I'm going to click rate the activities. And just for my purpose right here, I'm just going to kind of just like everything. Okay, now of course you don't want to do that because that will mess with your results. Okay, let's like everything and dislike one thing just for fun. Okay, so I'm just going to go through here. You're going to answer these truthfully, otherwise you'll quadruple your work in the end. Okay, all right, so I am done. I click on the results and here is my chart. Okay, so liking everything pretty much brought everything into a tie, which is not the best thing, but it works. Okay, so now you're going to need to save it, and we're going to call it 8th grade. And click Save Information, and we'll go back to our cluster. And here we go. Okay, so these are active links. And the next step is for you to take a snippet of this chart and put it into our career research Google slideshow. And I'll let you do that in another video.